Fenirob here. Today we're going to be looking at the Dungenmeister by Jeff Aldrich and John Taylor. We're going to make a cocktail. This time we're going to be doing the Blue Manna, the fury of the seas, the rush of the breeze, and forget about that. We just want to drink. There's our ingredients. That's what it's going to look like. We don't have any mint, so hopefully it looks very close to that. It's like a science experiment. Our drink master is none other than Super John.
Hi there. We're going to get started here. Gotta get my recipe book. We're making the Blue Manna. So one of the things I want to point out immediately is that we don't want to make just one of these drinks. We want to make many of these drinks. So we're going to take the recipe in the book and we're going to upscale that a little bit to make ourselves a hefty portion. So the first thing we're going to do is get our nice pitcher out. We're going to go with, first we're going to do a little bit of cranberry juice. Now this is a nondescript. You can't see the name brand because they're not paying us, so we're going to keep that off camera. We're going to do 2 parts cranberry juice. This is our measuring cup. It is precisely
that many ounces.
That many. I can already tell we're going to make a mess. It's going to be great. Not my house, don't care. 2 of these, 2 parts cranberry juice. Look at that, that looks delicious already. I can tell this is going to be a great drink. I'm going to put the top on so that when I kick that over later, I'll make a mess. Next up, we've got a nondescript vodka. This is the finest vodka that $3 can buy.
You totally cannot see what brand it is.
This is 1 part of the nondescript vodka. And just out of curiosity, let's just, oh, that smells good. That's a grain vodka. That's not a potato vodka. You can tell the difference when you smell them. 1 part of the vodka. Oh, look at that drink. It looks amazing already, doesn't it? Cranberry juice and vodka. That might could be a drink on its own.
I feel like it is.
Something to write down and think about later. Next up, no name blue curacao or curacao, depending on what part of the country you're from. Oh, sounds delicious.
It does.
Look at that texture. That's a very blue drink.
Not anymore.
Wow. Wow, look at that. Look at that.
Look at those
Last
hues.
drop off. Oh, this is great. This is going to be amazing. Okay, and then we've got 1/2 part of lime juice from Key West. Smells like Key West.
I mean, you can tell the difference from a Key East.
Key East is a little browner. There we go. This looks like it's not going to be enough for us, but we're going to go ahead and mix it up anyway. One of the things that this recipe calls for is a pinch of pearl luster dust. Unfortunately, we ran out of pearl luster dust before we started filming, so we're going to use some sand from the backyard. So here's the way we're going to mix this. This is a genius device here. I'm just going to put it down there and watch. Isn't that amazing?
It looks like the high seas.
Oh, look, it's a nice, deep, rich blue. Oh, that's beautiful. That's amazing. Okay, now we're gonna prep the glass. So what I've done off camera, did a little prep work. I put some sugar on a plate here. You can see that, that's good. If you wanna upscale your drink, you can use, give yourself a little something special for grandma, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so we're gonna take a glass, and then you're gonna take a lime, and I've cut a little slot in the lime right there. You're gonna take that, we're gonna run that around the glass. Now, why are we doing that, you ask? A great question. It's getting a lime flavor on the glass, but it's also getting just enough moisture to spread sugar all over Rob's house back here. But look at that on the glass. That is, that's phenomenal. That looks great. Set that to the side.
Sweet.
Now we're going to pour that in. I'm going to put my thumb over so this doesn't spill out. You know, we really could have used that pearl luster dust. That would have been amazing here. But, oh, we forgot our garnish. We don't have mint, but we do have a green straw.
Oh yeah.
Voila.